Hello Capricorn, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your August the 22nd to August the 25th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ayan. So, kung di nyo po maabutan itong live sessions, pwede naman po kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. No? I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Capricorn, magsimula na tayo. So, parang meron tayo ditong, let's say meron na talagang sigalot, no? Energetic separation, if I may say. Energetic separation, ito yung hindi nakakaintindihan, um, or merong puwede rin 'no, puwede rin yung physical separation 'no. Pero eto na yung sinasabi mo na, alam kong hindi naman dito nagtatapos itong relationship natin. Alam ko na, um, magkakaayos pa rin 'no. Meron man tayong kumbaga meron dito ding downloads or realization of, um, alam ko meron din ako mga pagkakamali, alam ko meron din akong shortcomings 'no, dito sa relationship na 'to, and I figured it out. So parang nawala dito yung pride 'no. This could be you, this could be your person ha, you may switch the energies. What I am reading here is the dynamic of your relationship. So parang sabi dito nung or baka both 'no, this might be a mirrored energy, let's check kasi wala pa naman yung card. So ang energies dito is sinasabi na hindi pa hindi pa ito 'no, yung pinaka-best 'no, ng connection natin. I know that will come to a time na magkakaroon tayo ng, um, sabihin natin dito agreement, how to figure things out 'no. I think that more of we are logical, on this. Hindi tayo nagpapadala sa heightened emotion 'no. Puwede ring just because of galit ako 'no, hindi naman kailangan laging sumisigaw 'no or, nakikipagtalo. So, what what is happening in here is mas pinipili niyong intindihin ang inyong person. If you can sit on it, sleep on it, I think it's much better na yun yung gagawin ninyo. And I think na yun naman talaga ang ginagawa ninyo instead of bilhin no itong away na binebenta ng person mo. You know that it is not going to add up. I mean, you know that things are going to add up and it might gonna be a burden, not just to you, but to your person as well. So for those who are in physical separation, what I am seeing in here is, yeah, bababaan ko na yung pride ko. Hindi lang naman din pointing fingers ang nangyayari dito, no, na my person is the one to blame. Again, it takes two to tango, no? Ang nakikita ko dito parang nasabi pa nga niya na ni person na ah, mali yata, no, na sinalubong ko yung inis niya, yung galit niya, to a point nag-alsabalutan ako, hindi ko siya kinausap. I feel like it's much better para kausapin siya ng mas maayos, mas mahinahon. Nandito kami sa situation na it may be a little challenging but hindi ko naman siya itatapon 'no, itong relationship na ito basta-basta, ayan. With the Six of Wands and the Sun, I feel like communication is about to resurface. may experience ito ng both parties na or pwedeng, nag-uunahan kayo sa energies of ako na kaya yung mauna. Ang ganda kasi nandito yung dun sa Bible na 1 Corinthians something na love takes no records of wrongs. Um, much more of pag-iintindihan, reconciliation, working hand in hand together, the page of wands and the five of wands. Um, si Capricorn kasi is the kind of person whom wag mo lang talagang gagalitin, wag mo lang sasagarin. Medyo may pagkakahawig siya when it comes to the anger issues, no, kay Aries. So parang mapagtimpi naman, kaso wag lang din talagang yung lumalabas yung kademonyohan eh, no, kapag napupush talaga. With the Ace of Swords, the King of Swords, the Hierophant, and the Queen of Wands. So ang nakikita ko dito, I think that ikaw na mismo, no, yung magre-reach out. Apologies may not be there, but reaching out doesn't mean na nandun na nga yung pagpapakumbaba. Sige, aminin na natin. Pero doesn't mean that talo ako. Hindi rin naman ako makikipag-compete pa, no? What's important to me is yung fixation, bridging the gap, and also, mai-point out ko ng mas maayos, no, itong nangyayari sa amin. May point out ko kung ano yung totoong nararamdaman ko. Without just pointing fingers to my person, but also mature enough to take the responsibilities of what I did, no? Napakaganda kasi napaka-mature ng atake, ng perception. I think kung ganito ang magiging attitude, no, ng mga in a relationship, I think na walang away na hindi ma-resolba, no? Let's check the emotion. This could be your emotion or your person's emotion. I believe whoever wants to make amends, medyo may konting galit pa, no? Itong si person. Pero, like what I mentioned, makukumbinsi din naman, no, ni Capricorn itong person niya to listen, no? So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So Pisces, Scorpio, Taurus, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer. Did I just said Taurus, right? Virgo, Capricorn, baka kapwa Capricorn ito, no? So this is your reading, Cappies. For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po'y nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And kung gusto niyo pong kung di niyo naaabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Kilalang-kilala niyo yung sarili ninyo, Capricorn. Kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no lang na sagot, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating description box. There is a link, no? Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Bubungad po sa inyo yung question form. Hindi lang siya kasya sa screen pero ibaba nyo po, makikita nyo yung mga QR codes. Those QR codes have designated labels. So, nandun po yung how much per question, the name, the number for your reference. I also created a promotion of 4 questions plus 1. So, yung 4 questions po, discounted na yon. Meron pang +1, no? So take advantage of it. Bali, 5 questions yon. If you want to book a private reading, hanapin nyo na lang po yung QR code doon sa um, hanapin nyo na lang yung label dun sa QR codes. Ayan. Kung hindi naman po kayo nagmamadali at gusto nyo sumali sa ating raffle na free personal reading, and when I say it's free, it's totally free of charge, please report those fake accounts and then take a screenshot and send it to the designated email para po pag nagapi po natin yan, bubuno tayo ng winner. So, Capricorn. Ayan. Uh, kung hinahanap po ninyo yung ibang videos, no, dito sa YouTube, especially yung X-Files, nandun po siya sa Facebook. If you still care about your exes, pwede nyo pong tignan doon sa Facebook. If you want to follow me on different social medias, nandun po siya sa website. May mga icons po doon ng mga social media accounts. Click nyo lang yon. You don't have to type anything. I-route na kayo, no, doon sa social media na gusto nyo i-follow. Thank you so much. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.